Welcome to this transformative morning meditation to attract your ideal partner and amplify your love frequency. This powerful practice is specifically designed to align your energy with love by activating the law of attraction and magnetizing your soulmate into your life. This will set the stage for a partnership filled with passion, trust, and unwavering support. You can practice this meditation anywhere and in any position. Choose what feels most comfortable for you. Now, let's begin by entering a state of deep relaxation. This will maximize the abundance attracting effects of this meditation. Take this time for yourself. Be proud of yourself for prioritizing this time to amplify your love frequency and open your heart. Gently close your eyes. Take a deep breath in through your nose, inhaling love and possibility. Exhale through your mouth, releasing any doubts or past disappointments. Breathe in again, drawing in the energy of transformation. Breathe out, letting go of any resistance to love. As you continue to breathe naturally, relax your body. Release any tension in your forehead. Soften the muscles around your eyes. Relax your jaw. Let your shoulders drop away from your ears. Unclench your hands and relax your arms. Release any tightness in your chest and abdomen. Allow your legs to become heavy and relaxed. As you sink deeper into relaxation, set your intention for this practice. Ask yourself, what qualities do you desire in your ideal partner? How do you wish to feel in your perfect relationship? Visualize a warm, rose-colored light emanating from your heart center. With each breath, this light grows stronger and brighter. It represents your capacity for love and your readiness to receive love. As this light expands, it dissolves any barriers you've built around your heart. Watch as these walls crumble, opening the doorway to profound love and connection. Now, imagine your ideal partner standing before you. Notice the warmth in their eyes. The kindness in their smile. Feel the comfort of their presence. How does being with them make you feel? Do you feel cherished? Supported? Understood? Allow yourself to fully experience these feelings. Breathe in love. Exhale fear. Inhale openness. Exhale past hurts. As you continue to breathe naturally, affirm to yourself, I am worthy of a loving, fulfilling relationship. I attract my ideal partner with ease and joy. Love flows to me effortlessly and abundantly. Visualize yourself and your ideal partner sharing beautiful moments together. Walking together along a sunlit beach. Laughing over a candlelit dinner. Supporting each other through life's challenges. Growing together in love and understanding. Feel the joy and contentment of this perfect union. Know that this vision is not just a fantasy, but a preview of your reality. The universe is conspiring to bring this love into your life. Take a moment to identify any limiting beliefs that may have held you back from true love in the past. Perhaps thoughts of unworthiness or fear of vulnerability. Acknowledge these thoughts without judgment. Now watch as they dissolve in the warm light of your expanding love. Breathe in acceptance. Exhale doubt. Inhale worthiness. Exhale fear. Feel a deep sense of gratitude for the love that's already present in your life. This gratitude amplifies your ability to attract even more love. Feel grateful for the love you have for yourself. For the love of friends and family. For the universe's endless capacity to bring you joy. As you continue breathing naturally, affirm, I am a magnet for love and positive relationships. I radiate love and attract love in return. My heart is open to giving and receiving love. Visualize a protective field of loving energy surrounding you. This field repels negativity and attracts loving connections. Feel it growing stronger with each breath. In these final moments, know that you carry this loving energy with you everywhere you go. You are deserving of a beautiful, loving relationship. Trust in the universe's perfect timing. Stay open, stay committed, and watch as love flows effortlessly into your life. Save this video and make it part of your morning routine. Start each day by affirming your worth and setting your intentions. Thank you for allowing me to join you on this journey.